Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody! Thank you very much for joining me here. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Sheriff Toadster from the game Garten of Banban. Okay, so before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, maybe subscribe if you're new here, and leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw. All right, so to start drawing Sheriff Toadster, I'm going to start with the mouth, and he's going to have a great big smile on his face, and the mouth shape, we're going to do kind of like the shape of a jelly bean. So it's a great big smile. Okay, like that. Now we're going to do this same shape, only smaller inside. All right, so now that you have that done, we're going to make some straight lines. You can see that my straight lines are moving with this jelly bean shape. So they're going down, down, down. They're forming that curve. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do a circle right here. And another one right here. And these are the beginning of two eyes. So next thing, we're going to do another circle. And he's going to be looking over to the side that way. So let's do another one. All right, so now we're going to come on up and have like a hill, and then come on down the hill and up again, and then down again. Next, we're going to have a little hat right here. So let's do shape like this right here, and then we're going to go up, over, and down again. Okay, next let's work on the shape of the body. So let's come on out on both sides. It's going to be rounded at the bottom. And I'm going to put a line here and one here for an arm. And we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 little pointy fingers. And I'm going to do another one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and come on up. And now he needs his little star here. So the star has 5 points. And next thing I'm going to draw, I'm going to make the curve of the belly here. Like that. And now he needs 2 little legs and 2 little feet. So there's one. And then we're going to do the exact same on the other side. All right, so there we go. Now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, have a really, really good day. Goodbye.